back to another one of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alright y'all, so I had this wig here that I was sent from Ishowbeauty. This is their, I think it's their loose deep wave. If I'm lying, I'm gonna put the information in the description box. But I think it's a loose deep wave wig, 150% density. So yeah, now this is like a natural density. Y'all know I love thick hair. But if you don't like a lot of hair, then you may like this wig. Not saying that I don't like it, it's just y'all know I love thick hair, but we're gonna work with it, of course. I'm gonna do a no baby hair look. With this wig, it was kind of hard for me to pluck the hairline. So yeah, I wasn't able to get, like, y'all know I like a fine hairline. I like it to look really scalpy. So this one is gonna be more of a full hairline. So I know not everybody likes fine hairlines. They like full hairlines, so we're gonna try to finesse this wig today. So I'm gonna pop it right on.
You
All right, y'all, so this is all I'm gonna do to the wig. It's a nice natural look. Like if you like natural tees, and then definitely check this wig out. I did get a little shedding with this wig when I was brushing it out, but the hair is soft, okay? It was able to get those waves popping, okay? Again, this is a 150 density, so y'all know me, I love thick hair, but I will say this is a very nice natural density. So, you know, when it comes to the summer heat that we have right now, if you're someone that does not like a lot of hair on your head, you just like it to be on the natural side, then this would be the density for you. But I love thick hair, okay? But neither here nor there. Yeah, I mean, it's natural, you know. We're giving natural teas. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Big up to Ishowbeauty for sending me out this week. Thank you guys so much. And big ups to you all. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.